Duckman signing in here. Mr. Duck Dude is super cool dude Duck. Mr. Duckman has a crush on Smiley Man and Cool Man, but he's still a duck. But he loves to eat apples, and he also loves monkeys that are quiet monkeys. He drives a tractor. He drives it all the time. Yeah, all the time. That's when he rides it. And but remember, he's still a duck. He's pretty cool. And he drives a tractor, and he likes monkeys and apples, and he's a duck. He's still a duck.
Gross.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.